My uncle told me, "You need to go to Poland like you need a hole in the head." My own mother could barely utter the word Poland. So deep was her grief at the loss of unnamed family members who perished there during the Holocaust. But my Zen rabbi, Don Singer, talked about Polish-Jewish reconciliation. The Jews were part of Poland's body and soul, he said on Friday nights. When I was in Poland, he said, I felt somehow we knew the Poles, that we understood them. For years, Rabbi Singer officiated at the Bearing Witness retreat at Auschwitz-Birkenau. In 2000, he invited me to go to Birkenau. Take some time and travel in Poland, he suggested. I accepted with a sense of dread. Over a decade of travel in Poland, I too discovered a startling affinity with the people and the place. I made friends in my family's little town. I found the grave of my great-grandmother and discovered a man who helped rescue my cousin. All over Poland, I met Polish compadres who were part of the burgeoning Polish-Jewish reconciliation movement that seeks to heal the pain of history. Even before we met, we were already reaching toward one another across an abyss of loss, constructing a collaborative skein of memory. This is the story of how the Poland in my head became the Poland in my heart.